सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय अनदर वीडियो गाइस। आज मैं आप लोगों को ऐसा एक चीज़ दिखाऊंगा। एक्चुअली आप लोग थोड़ी देर पहले देख लिया होगा, तो लास्ट तक वीडियो को ज़रूर देखिएगा। बहुत मज़ेदार होने वाला है। और ये चीज़ सब जो चीज़ें हैं हम लोगों के स्टूडेंट ने बनाया है अरुणोदय सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल का। सो गाइस, आप वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिएगा।
And your name is Nikita Kumari. Good. Good effort. And you have prepared nicely. Bar graph. India Gate, of course. Your presentation of nerve cell is very nice. I must say you have made your India Gate very nice. Can you give it? The color of this, but the thing is you could have write India Gate here, right? But looks very nice. Rasmi Chauhan, you have from class 7. You have prepared working model of a lung. So this is a balloon on the bottom, right? It shows how. Yes. What do you call this? Diaphragm. Okay. And if I pull down, what will happen? If you pull down, then air will come inside the cavity and the balloon will blow like our lungs. Good, good, good. Human digestive system from Shreyade, right? Yes, glitter paper, nicely. That's what the creativity we have to bring in ourselves, right? Looks nice. This is from Narayan Chauhan. See, he have made three-dimensional figures, right? Of cube, cones, everything. So if you make this kind of projects, you will be very familiar with the dimensions, right? I hope you have no problem with dimensions now. Okay? So, as we know that white beam of light is made up of 7 colors, right? So if you mix all 7 colors, it will turn out to be white color. Like the rainbow is formed from white beam of light, right? I think your battery is little bit low. Okay? This is gobar gas, a mini gobar gas, right? See if the yes. See the power of gas, because you have used already. Okay? Pratap Devnath. Uses of dynamo motor. Can you demonstrate it once? I hope everyone understood this. Like, if you complete the circuit, if motor is rotating, then the light will glow, right? And the sound will also come. What if we stop? Okay, good, very good. Your name? You have made also a working model of your lungs, right? Similarly, if we pull our diaphragm down, then air is going to come inside the cavity, blowing up the lung cavities, right? Singha. Okay, you demonstrate it? Okay. What is total time that is being taken to like fully drain out?
1 minute 15 seconds.
1 minute 15 second takes. So we can use this criteria for time. This is time clock, right? Cent clock we call this. Very good. Gupta also have made working model of lungs. What is your name? Sagar Yadav. Simple but effective. Okay. What is your name? Rohit Sahu. Very good. Rajiv Chetri. What you have made? Electromagnetic. Okay, this is Rohit Singha. You should have colored these things, right? So that it will be distinct. Very good. Vikram Singha. You have made 3-dimensional figures, okay? Third part. What's your name? Akshar. Ravina, right? So what you have prepared all of this? Can you explain what is this? This is bar graph, okay? And this is 3D model of nerve cell. Very good. So nerve cell does what? It helps in transmitting messages in our body. Very good. This is also known as neuron. Very good. Okay, very good. This size is front. This is front. The color side. Yeah, you have prepared what? You have a breathing system of lungs. Means how clearly visible in this. It goes down, the lungs will be filled with air. It goes up. Okay, very good. Sand flow prepared by Mr. Gupta, right? So can you demonstrate this? Okay, how much time it's taking? 1 minute, 2 seconds, right? Very good. This vegetative propagation prepared by Sarvishna Kalita. Okay, very good. First say what you use for this? Bird. Okay, like the word that you get. Okay, very good. Like local resources you use. Okay, very good. Right. So what is this? Life cycle of butterfly. Okay. What is this? Pupa. Okay. What is pupa used for? Making threads. Like butterflies will be inside there, right? So this is good. Okay, very good. What is this? India gate. Why you have not colored it? This looks white, na? It should be which color? Brownish, right? Karan Chauhan, your appendix is already on. How many colors we use? 7 colors. What we call that colors? Vibgyor. Okay, V stands for violet. Okay, very good. All 7 colors. If we mix, we'll get which color? White color. Very good. Your project is sending notes. So what you have to do, you have to make the frame. Simply but very effectively make India gate. You should also write your name also here, right? And name of India gate Arunoday. This is the biggest India gate. Lots of detail. Very nice. But you must color these. Okay. Okay. So you have also prepared India gate. Life cycle of butterfly prepared by Singha, right? Kirsten, okay. You have played what? India gate. What is this? Solar system. Okay. Nice, but you can have used the 3-dimensional round things, okay? What we have here?
The periscope.
Periscope. Periscope. What we use it for?
For navies in submarine.
Submarines, okay.
For seeing the views outside.
Okay. Like if you don't want to go out, but if you want to see, then we can use, no? Like if you see from here, we can see something from this direction, okay? It's working, no? Okay, good. It's working very nicely. Very good. Here, what mirror is? Okay. Like reflection of light, no? Light entering from here, it will reach to our eyes. Okay, very good. Right? This is prepared by Sonia Devi. This is plant cell and animal cell. Prepared.
India Gate is a big historical monument. It was located in the capital of India, New Delhi. It was built to pay the homage to the Indian soldiers who fought bravely during the World War I. It was constructed in 1921 and inaugurated in 1921. It was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens, who is known as masterpiece.
Good. So, and what you have here?
Plant cell and animal cell.
Okay, plant cell and animal cell. What is the major difference?
Plant cell is a basic unit of all the plant cells. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells present in the green plant. Photosynthesis eukaryotic cells present in the rhizome of plant vegetation. Animal cells is basic structure and functional units present in the animal tissues and organs.
Which one will have cell wall in plant and animal cell? Cell wall is present in plant cell. Good. Plasma, okay, plasma prepared by Asakriya, right? I must say, like everyone has made India Gate, but you have made Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was built by Shahjahan. Very good. Very lots of detailing also, no? Very nice. What we have here? Prepared by Asaliya, plant cell and animal cell. Labeling we have to do. Labeling is lab. This India Gate. Okay, good. Your name? Nemosmita. Okay. So cell. Like you have split animal cell, huh? Okay, nice, nice. All the detailings are there. Labeling also very nice. Very nice. Very good. I must say, like labeling, the way of labeling is very good. Okay, this and what you have prepared? Water cycle. Okay, this is proper three-dimensional water, like water, evaporation and all. But the thing is, evaporation you have put. Rain. Okay, completing whole water cycle. Okay, good. This is model of. Can you explain what is this? This is from Assam.
This is the cyclograph. Okay. When you go downwards, the air comes inside the lungs and it goes up.
Okay.
And when the hydrogen goes up, the air goes out of the lungs.
Okay, that's how our lungs work, right? Can we see if it's working? Yes. Now the lungs is filled with air. If it goes up, then lungs are empty. It goes down, lungs are full. Okay, very good. Very simple but very effective. Now the next unique model that is made by Niharika Borua. Can you explain what is this, Niharika?
When we blow air from our mouth, the air comes closer. You blow air from closer.
Okay, means the air pressure inside both the balloon will reduce. Can you demonstrate once? Yes. Means it's not that if you blow from here, it will go apart. Huh? Because air pressure inside this is reducing, so it will come closer. Very good. We can make sand clock prepared by Nanda Devi. Okay. What is time is being taken by this? 3 minutes. Okay, good. So what you have used for this sand, in case of sand? It's better to use sand, okay? Because sand is heavier, right? If it's heavier, then it will go very finely, okay? Okay, but very good. Like the Suzy color is giving a good essence to this. Okay? And what we have here, very simple but prepared by Pratiksha Pandey has prepared one Newton sticks, no motor, nothing. We'll see if it's working, okay? But one mistake you have made. What is the mistake? White color. White color is not supposed to be here. Only 7 color is supposed to be here, okay? But it's water dispenser made by Dhruva Acharji. Okay, very good. What we have here? Electric circuit made by Lakshman Das. Can you demonstrate how it works?
Sir, when we click this switch,
Okay.
the light will be on.
So what are the things present here? What is this? This is switch. What is this? Battery. What are these? Wires. This is light. Completing whole circuit. Street light prepared by Neeraj Upadhyay. I must say, it looks very nice, very beautiful. Okay. Street light. Can you demonstrate a little bit?
When we press hardly, then light was.
Okay. The simple, but the thing is, it's effective to show them how street lights are being prepared. Street light prepared by Neeraj. Okay. So what we have here? What? Okay. What is your name? Okay, can you explain how you got? Oh. Okay. Nice. Do it nicely. Okay. Good.
Can you repeat the same thing again, please?
Due to magnetic force, this one rotating again in the wind.
So we can use this energy in different purposes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
And India Gate.
So after a time it will reverse its direction, right? Because energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, right? But very good, very simple, but very effective. It's working nicely. See, it's kept on rotating.
Your name?
Kaushik Nath have prepared this. And Kaushik have also prepared this. What is it? India Gate. Okay. Okay, nice. For social project, Kaushik, very good. Everyone here prepared nicely.